have so much homework and I don't know what to do. I'm trying to figure out problem number 8. Oh, I think I got it. Oh my god. I just ripped my homework. What am I gonna do? Okay, I need to come up with an excuse right now. Okay. I got it. Okay. I can be like, oh, in my hallway, I saw a potato, and I think a potato did it. Did it? A potato did it. A potato. I think a potato did it.